Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create the best portfolio on Behance. So first you have to create and set up your Behance account. Go to behance.net and sign up with your Adobe ID or email. Add a professional profile picture, short bio and skills list that describe your creative expertise. So basically you can also create this one by just connecting it to your Google account. So once you have your Behance portfolio right here, then what you're going to do next is go to your profile and add any information that is needed. So here you can choose your best for quality over quantity. Here, I'm going to show you how to create a good profile picture. You can use other editing tools, but this time I strongly suggest Canva. So you can create visually stunning project like any projects that you want here. You can also create cover image. You can create your profile picture with the help of Canva. Just create an account in Canva, and then here you can search for anything like profile picture. You can use from any of this here. You can just crop this one later on your Behance portfolio, for example, this one. And then you can upload your real photo right here. Go back to Behance and then upload your photo. And then after that, add more information about yourself, for example, skills, experiences, and so on. It can boost your Behance profile. Now, for the cover image, you can go back to Canva, go to custom size, follow, create, and then here you can choose from any of the templates. And let's just say if you're an editor, then you can just basically choose from any of this and then change the font text and then add more elements or change the background. So for example, you are an editor, you can change this one to editor, tap on share, download, go back to Behance, and then change your cover photo. And basically that's it. Now you can add more information about yourself, tell the story behind your project, maintain a consistent visual identity, and then keep it updated. So you can refresh your portfolio every few months with new projects. Add your projects right here. Always remember that a well-crafted Behance portfolio isn't just a gallery, it's your digital resume for the creative world. It shows how you think, create, and deliver results, which is what potential clients and employers value most. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.